In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an A record in CPanel using Namecheap, step by step, so you can point your domain to the correct IP address quickly and correctly. This is a super useful process if you're connecting a website, setting up hosting, or updating DNS records for a project. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy web hosting and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, look for Hosting List. This is where Namecheap shows the hosting services connected to your account. Click Hosting List and then choose Go to CPanel for the hosting plan that contains the domain you want to update. This will open your CPanel dashboard. Now that you're in CPanel, look for the Zone Editor. You'll usually find this under the Domain section. The Zone Editor is where you manage DNS records for your domain, including A records, CNAME records, MX records, and more. Click on Zone Editor to continue. After that, find your domain in the list and click Manage. This opens the DNS zone for that specific domain so you can make changes directly to its records. Once the domain is open, click Add Record. A new record form will appear, and this is where you'll create the A record. Now select A as the record type. An A record is used to point a domain or subdomain to an IPv4 address, which is exactly what you need when connecting a domain to a server or website hosting IP. Next, enter the name. This is the host you want to point. For example, if you want to point the main domain, you may use the root domain or whatever format your setup requires. If you're creating a subdomain, enter that subdomain here. Then move to the record or address field and enter the destination IP address. This is the server IP address you want your domain to point to, so make sure you copy it correctly from your hosting provider. A single wrong number can cause the record to fail. If TTL is available, you can set it if your provider recommends a specific value. Otherwise, it's usually fine to leave the default TTL setting in place. TTL controls how long DNS information is cached before it refreshes, so the default is typically the safest choice for most users. Once everything looks correct, click Save Record. CPanel will now add the A record to your DNS zone. After saving, your change is not always instant everywhere, so the next step is to wait for DNS propagation. That means it can take some time for internet servers around the world to recognize the new record. In many cases, updates can begin working fairly quickly, but full propagation may take longer depending on the DNS system and your network. While you wait, double-check that the IP address and record name were entered correctly. If you need to make changes later, you can come back to Zone Editor and update the record again anytime. And that's it. You've now set up an A record in CPanel using Namecheap. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what hosting or DNS topic you want to learn next.